some English words with meaning. The first one is amazing, which means adbhut. Synonyms are incredible, unbelievable, fabulous, wonderful, fantastic. The sentence is the world is becoming more educated at an amazing rate. The next word is angry, which means naraz or gussa. Synonyms are mad, furious, enraged, aroused, indignant. The sentence is I was angry that he had forgotten my birthday. The next word is awful, which means bhyankar. Synonyms are dreadful, terrible, abominable, bad, poor, unpleasant. The sentence is they heard the most awful sounds. The next one, answer, which means uttar. Synonyms are reply, respond, retort, acknowledge. The sentence is give me answer of my question. The next word is beautiful, which means khoobsurat. Synonyms are pretty, lovely, handsome, attractive, gorgeous, dazzling, glowing. The sentence is she is looking very beautiful in this dress. The next word is begin, which means shuru karna. Synonyms are start, open, launch, initiate, inaugurate. The sentence is in Japan, the new semester begins in April. The next one, bright, which means chamakdar. Synonyms are shining, shiny, gleaming, brilliant, sparkling, shimmering, radiant. The sentence is I closed my eyes against the bright light. The next word is brave, which means bahadur. Synonyms are courageous, fearless, dauntless, intrepid, plucky, daring. The sentence is the soldiers are very brave. The next one, break, which means tootna. Synonyms are fracture, rupture, shatter, smash, wreck, crash. The sentence is she dropped the plate and it broke into pieces. The next word is calm, which means shant. Synonyms are quiet, peaceful, still, tranquil, mild, serene, unruffled. The sentence is a quiet calm settled over the city. The next word is crooked, which means tedha muda hua. Synonyms are bent, twisted, curved, hooked, zigzag. The sentence is the roads were crooked and muddy and rough. The next one is cry, which means rona or chillana. Synonyms are shout, yell, yowl, scream, roar, bellow, weep. The sentence is the little boy fell over and started to cry. The next one is cut, which means katna. Synonyms are gash, slash, prick, slice, chop, crop. The sentence is I need a sharp knife to cut them out. The next one, dangerous, which means khatarnak. Synonyms are perilous, hazardous, risky, uncertain, unsafe. The sentence is it is dangerous for you to swim in this river. The next one, dark, which means andhera or kala. Synonyms are shadowy, unlit, murky, gloomy, dim, dusky, shaded, black. The sentence is it was dark, shiny, thick, and long. The next word is decide, which means तय करना. Synonyms are determine, settle, choose, resolve. The sentence is he decided to solve this mathematics sum. The next one, definite, which means nishchit. Synonyms are certain, sure, positive, determined, clear. The sentence is the matter is in my hands and is clear and definite in my head. The next word is eager, which means utsuk. Synonyms are keen, fervent, enthusiastic, involved, interested, alive to. The sentence is he seemed eager to talk all night. The next one, end, which means smapt. Synonyms are stop, finish, terminate, conclude, close, halt, cessation. The sentence is Jen walked until she reached the end of the driveway. The next word is enjoy, which means anand lena. Synonyms are appreciate, delight in, be pleased, indulge in, luxuriate in, bask in. The sentence is I enjoy the calm beauty of the blue sky. The next word is explain, which means samjhana. Synonyms are elaborate, clarify, define, interpret, justify, account for. The sentence is I tried to think of the best way to explain my feelings. The next one, fair, which means nishpaksh. Synonyms are just, impartial, unbiased, objective, unprejudiced, honest. The sentence is she rides with fair speed and absolute sureness. The next word is fall, which means girna. Synonyms are drop, descent, plunge, topple, tumble. The sentence is does the rain fall there? The next one, false, which means galat or asatya. Synonyms are fake, fraudulent, counterfeit, spurious, untrue, deceptive. The sentence is it was quite clear the president was being given false information by those around him. The next word is famous, which means prasidh. Synonyms are well known, renowned, celebrated, famed. The sentence is the town is famous for its restaurants. The next word is get, which means milna or samajhna. Synonyms are acquire, obtain, secure, procure, gain, fetch. The sentence is I got a letter from my friend in Nigeria. The next word is go, which means jana. Synonyms are recede, depart, fade, disappear, move, travel, proceed. The sentence is Alex would make the misery go away. The next word is gross, which means ghatiya. Synonyms are improper, rude, coarse, indecent, crude, vulgar, low. The sentence is they have suffered a gross injustice. The next one is great, which means mahan. Synonyms are noteworthy, worthy, distinguished, remarkable, grand. The sentence is you are doing a great job. The next one is happy, which means khush or prasann. Synonyms are pleased, contented, satisfied, delighted, elated, joyful, cheerful. The sentence is she told him that she was happy. The next word is hate, which means nafrat karna. Synonyms are despise, loathe, detest, abhor, disfavor, dislike. The sentence is I hate to see you make that trip again. The next word is hide, which means chipana. Synonyms are conceal, cover, mask, cloak, screen, shroud, veil. The sentence is he couldn't hide his anger at us. The next word is hurt, which means chot lagna. Synonyms are damage, harm, injure, wound, distress, afflict, pain. The sentence is she was badly hurt in a car accident. Please like and share the channel and also subscribe it.